Do you want to open another one? See what else Santa brought you? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you. Here, turn this way so Daddy can record you. Here, can you open? Can you open? I heard something. Can you rip it? Rip it open.
Mom, you may have to help him with that present.
Do you want me to open it for you? Here.
Yeah.
Can you open? What is it? Is that Dora?
Oh, wow.
Wow! It's a music Dora book. Wow! So you can play along. He follows the dots and he can play along. Should we open it? Maybe.
Mom, where me?
Want me to open it? Here. Wow! Open the pages. Do you like that? Do you want to open another one? Here.
Where's it?
Gonna go for the big one, huh?
Open the little one. What is this? Open. What is it? Rip it.
Cookie.
Is it a cookie? It looks like pretend play food.
Playbook.
Yeah, play food. Let's see. Oh, you want to play with your book? Oh, look, Dad, it's a vegetable garden. We can teach you what that's a tomato and carrots.
Carrot.
Carrot, good job. What's that? Garlic. What's that?
Pig.
I don't know what that is. Do you know what that is?
It's a mushroom.
Oh, it is a much. I feel dumb. A tomato. What's that? Celery?
Looks like a leek.
A leek?
I don't know.
And lettuce. That's so cool, Skylar. Look, the lettuce leaves come off. Oh, that's cute.
You gotta be able to make a salad, right?
Yeah, you can make a salad with that, Skylar. Do you want to open that big one?
Skylar, it looks like you got one more present left, bud.
You have another present from Santa. Can you open it?
Okay.
It's big, huh?
Let's play it.
Oh, there we go. We need a song to
You
open.
need a song? Open it, Skylar. Skylar. Hey.
There.
Come here, Skylar. You have one left. Can you open it? Rip it.
You gotta take the bows off first, Mom.
You take those bows off? Santa sure made that pretty, huh?
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Rip it. Can you pull right there? Skylar, rip it. Pull it open. Rip it.
Oh.
What is it?
Santa. Oh, wow.
Can you open it?
Wow.
Wow. Pull. Good job. Pull it off. Rip it. What is it? Is that a big car? What is it? Do you want it out? Okay. Let's see if I can try and help you get it out. We might need Dad's help.